Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming and enabling touch, not later now. Check model specs or the display. If it looks like glass, it likely supports touch. Open Settings, go to Devices or Touch Options, and enable Touch Input. Alternately, open Device Manager and enable the HID-compliant touch screen driver. Once done, restart to apply drivers. Make sure the screen is clean and free of heavy screen protectors, because capacitive sensors need direct contact to register reliably. Once touch is enabled, learn the core gestures so you work efficiently. Tap selects or activates items, double tap opens files or zooms in many apps, while press and hold brings up context menus, like a right-click. Use 2 fingers to scroll and pinch to zoom in photos or web pages. 3-finger swipes usually switch tasks or show the desktop. Make sure to customize these gestures in settings so they match how you work. Practicing these motions builds speed and reduces accidental taps. To finish setup and handle problems, calibrate touch if taps land off target, use control panel or settings calibration tools. Keep drivers updated, and if touch acts erratically, roll back or reinstall the HID touch driver. A restart often resolves transient glitches. If you need precision, switch to stylus-compatible apps or enable pen mode. And if things still go wrong, boot into safe mode to see whether third-party software is interfering. That usually isolates the.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.